Ayan na. Ayan na guys. Hello. Ngayon ay nandito pa lang kami sa bus. Kasama namin. Nandito pa lang kami sa bus. Nasa Santiago pa lang kami.
Yan yung dalawang ko.
Hindi natin nakikita yung self. Low bat. Ay, hindi pala.
Yan yung dalawang kupal, oh.
Yung dalawang kupal. Ayan sila. Mag-hi kayo. Ayan ang tatay ko. Tay. Hi kayo.
Kupal.
Kupal. Kuya na mamatay ng alam. Anong masasabi mo pupunta tayo sa Boracay?
Okay.
Okay. Ilang beses mo na bumalik? Ilang beses mo nang babalik sa Boracay? Ay, nakalawa. Ayan. So guys, na kami ngayon sa airport. iniwan.
Nagmamatay pa.
Hindi na. Ay, pupunta na kami ngayon ng airport, guys. Ayun sila. Mag-hi kayo sa mama nyo. Hi kayo, guys.
Hi ka guys, sir.
Hi.
Ayan si Boo. Mag-hi kayo sa Philippines. Ayan. Parang mahihilo pa bago pumunta ng airport. Pagpalain tayo daw ng Diyos. That's good. Bu, okay ka lang dyan, Bu? Ayan, nakikita ka ba? Yes, nakikita ka. Mag-hi ka sa mama mo. Namimiss ka na daw ni Naidit. Ding! Okay ka lang dyan, Ding? Wow, perfect.
This moment, no one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul. That it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more. Something
D. Ay, may pag-checkan ba ng... Ito, check nyo yung... Ito. Decision. Okay na yan.
Paano, Tep?
Okay na yan.
Tep, ano? Ganyan?
Ayan, ganyan lang.
7.5.
Oh.
Aray ko. Sa lagdag na sili dito.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter
Ding.
the storm,
Ding, bahala ka dyan.
I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there'd be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Open the gate, don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home.
Tarong kami ito.
Walo kami.
Hindi dapat balance natin. Malalaki tayo. Tay, ikaw na tayo. Sabay ka na doon. Bu. Sinaiwalay na yung dalawa.
Doon ako, tayo. Malalaki kayo.
Mag-iwalay na tayo na. Okay, dyan ka na bunso. Bago na yan?
Hello guys, so ngayon, ay lobat na. Yes, pero ngayon nandito na kami sa port kung saan sasakay kami ng mabilis, ano bang tawag doon? Kasi mabilis sa bangka para makapunta kami sa isla ng Boracay. Pero ngayon, as you can see, medyo maulan dito sa Boracay. Pero yan, welcome to Boracay. Ayan. Uy, sir, mabuhay ho. Hindi siya binigyan. Aray ko.
Ayaw naman sa semento.
Ala!
Sumasakay pa lang tayo po.
Anong masasabi mo na dito na tayo?
Kararating pa lang, ubus ng pera.
Ala, kararating pa lang, parang ubos ang pera namin. Ayan na. Hi ka dyan.
Ay, sir naman kasi.
Kiss mo si Tita Po na lang.
Ayoko.
Ala, ayaw nila guys. Ala, sobra. Ayan, tignan mo, nakikita niyo ba yung pila guys? Yan. Diyan kami, pero nagbayad na kasi kami, so may mag-a-assist sa amin.
Hindi ka rin sasakay.
Unang palo.
Tama. Uy.
Hindi na nakita yung kay sir.
Hindi ka namin sasakay sa kanila.
Ayan na. Tatay.
Correct kasi ano.
Yan, haba pa ang pila guys. Dito, ayan, Jetty Port. Dito pala tayo sa Jetty Port.
Hindi kita bibilan sabi ko.
Ayan. Uling-uli ang mga mata.
Bukan mo.
Sige, naka-video ka. Ipapatulpo kita. Ipapatulpo kita. Okay, Kuya FF yan. So ngayon guys, nakapasok kami sa port. Ayun yung pagsasakyan namin. Hindi namin alam, pero ganyan. Yan. Ay, may parasailing oh. Ay na, parasailing. Ito na kami. Stress. Yan. Wow. Hagardo. Versosa. Pero fresh. Fresh ka rito, sister.
Kaya nga.
Oh, di ba? Very fresh. Ayan si nanay ko. Oh, si tatay. Tay ka tay.
Hello.
Ay, dito na, dito na. So guys,
Halika na.
yan na. Hassle, pero vlogger tayo.
Hindi missing.
Medyo malay ka.
Sige, sabi mo eh.
Parang hindi natin kaya ang basic yan.
Hindi na kuya, may gumagawa ko ng video ko.
Hindi ako na. Basic.
Bagayan nyo.
Ayan.
Oh. Wala guys. Saan na kami?
Ay, dito na kami guys sa aming hotel room. Mulan. Ayan, sila. Basta. Ito ba daw? Time check. It's 1:50. After dun, wala pa kami yung side. Wala pa kami lunch. Sign. Para mag-check-in.
So yan. Videoan ko yung ilong mo, kita mo may dugong. Magiging kwarto namin ng 5 days. Geng geng.
I heard from a friend of mine who saw you just the other day. Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when we used to make the streets unsafe together, baby? We were young and foolish then. Oh, how I wish we could go back again. I've decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down to memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, I love that I love you. Wanna shout, I love that I love you, baby. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, oh, shout out that I love you, baby. Oh. If you want, I'll come back again. I know I changed my mind too many times. If I say that I still love you, babe, would you leave all bad things behind? I promise I won't mess things up like I did last time I saw you.
Tara. Aha. Di mall. Let's go. Nay, swimming pool yan dyan. Golden Ocean na. Ito yung sinasabi ko, orange coconut.
Take it to every party. So remember how much you love to dance. Do all the things I should have done. When I was your man.
May sinasabi kong red coconut na isang pagkainan natin.
Sir, paluto.
Hindi, pero susunod na gabi.
Papaluto na lang kayo, sir.
Ay, ang pangit eh. Pwede cash mo. Bakit? Kay tatay. Ayun mo. Dami ko ng barya ang binigay sa'yo ha. Hindi bayad ko sa'yo, Gcash mo ako.
Daboy ang kutsi. Daboy ang
Saan si tatay? Ito yung Jammers. Sarap din daw dito eh. Isang mga sisig, isang itlog sisig.